our stainless steel donuts and sugar glazing station. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 66 inches, a depth measuring 33.5 inches, and height on wheels we have 36.5 inches tall. Coming to the right compartment will be the removable donuts station, and the measurement for the station itself will include 26.25 inches in length, 32 inches in depth, and an overall height 10 inches tall. With the interior dimensions measuring 24 inches in length, 28.5 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height to the top of the highest point. This is the station to work and prepare your donuts. Donuts can be placed here, and also included will be the tool and accessory for glazing your donuts. Coming to the bottom, and in front will be two handles that can be open that will release the glazing and cream for your donuts. Whenever the accessory and tool is not in use, it can be latched on with the two hooks on the left and right holding the accessory. Also included will be a stainless steel cover, so whenever the donut station is removed, there will be an opening. So this cover will cover that opening whenever the donut station is removed. Also included will be a separate station to sugar and coat your donuts. This easily can be moved with the two handles on top. Measurements for the coating station will include 23.5 inches in length by 23.5 inches in depth by 14 inches tall to the top of the highest point. Coming to the bottom will be tracks that can be used to insert your trays. Please note that trays will not be included. Measurements for each track will include 14 inches in length by 31.5 inches in depth. A total of 10 shelves can be inserted beneath. Measurements for the bottom area will include by 31.75 inches in depth and a height of 27.5 inches tall. Coming to the right side will be an area for storage. Measurements will include 31.5 inches in length by 31.75 inches in depth. Caster wheels with brakes on each four corners, and coming to the side will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.